drivers looking their way out of ride sharing through day trading, where I watch my little green line cross over the yellow line to make money. Let's make this money.
Good morning, sir. How you doing, buddy?
Oh, we got somebody in here already?
Dude, it's Monday morning. It is Monday morning. It's Monday morning, bro.
Today. All right, so the three stocks that I'm going to be watching, it is going to be the big boy, which is Tesla, which you told me to watch
Oh,
Big boy
oh,
Tesla.
oh, oh.
Okay.
Are you
Uh,
covering us by a little bit?
hey, how do you on Webull change the candles to lines really quick?
Candles to lines?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I think I know how to do that. Wait a second. I gotta find the right thing. There it is. Okay. Whoop! There's my desktop. Okay. You go up to where it says indicators, drawings, and then you got line style. You see it, the upper left hand corner of the chart?
Indicators. Hold on. Indicators. Okay.
Okay, you want to go to the third one, the one in the middle that looks like two candles. Click on that, and then you can change it to a line.
Oh wait, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Do it again. Do it again. So I'm gonna go into. Okay. Hold on. Let me close out of this. Do it from the beginning. Indicators.
Indicators.
Uh
Go
huh.
next, and you got drawings next to that to the right,
Uh huh.
and then you got two candles
Okay.
stacked on top of each other.
Ooh,
Just
ooh,
click on
ooh.
that.
Okay. Ah,
Okay, you good?
yes. Look, so I am marking my support and resistance correctly. That's what I wanted to do.
Listen, I'm just here to.
You didn't teach me
I'm just
this.
here.
I
What?
YouTubed it. I was like,
What are you
how do I
talking
know
about
if I got my
teaching?
support and
What?
resistance, my lines correct? And that's what I need to
What is
do.
what is this teaching you're speaking of? I'm
Look,
not teaching.
you see this
This
right
is not
here?
this is not financial advice.
You see this?
This
So
is
I got
not
my lines.
financial advice.
I got my lines right here. There you go.
All right, wait a minute. I got to get that off. We ain't ready for that yet. All right. Here's my quote to start the week. Okay? You ready? Edward.
I'm listening.
No, I'm going to put it on the thing. I want to put it up. There it is. That's my famous this is my number one fallback quote in life. You are a result of the choices you make. That's my weekly. I want everybody who might watch this channel today to understand you are a result of the choices you make. Period. End of discussion. Full accountability. No excuses. You do what you got to do. There you go. That's it.
Ooh,
That
ooh,
that's
ooh.
that's my word of the week.
Okay, this looks so good. All right, this is my hourly. We got Umar. Umar has been, I sent him a text on the IG telling him, hey, they're like, dude, it's just,
You still mad at me?
we don't, yeah. I was like, dude, like, why'd you leave? I was like, it's just, it's just, I
You got
learned a
mad?
totally different way. Like, I don't know.
Well,
He's never answered. I was like, you gotta
that's
come back, bro. I was like, I was actually taking some of your advice.
well. That's the thing though, bro, is like a lot of people in life nowadays, they get so easily offended. They're so set in their ways and they're so twisted to one side or another that they're not open-minded enough to see, you know? It's like when
Stick with it.
we all pray to God to give us this big house, right? So he puts you in the middle of a forest with trees and animals and ponds to fish and everything you can do to have that big house, you just got to put the work in. No, that's not what you want. You just want to walk up and get the keys from a realtor and have the big house. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I ain't got time for
Yeah,
that shit.
yeah.
I ain't got time for that, bro. I ain't got time for that stuff, dude. I just don't. You are a result of the choices you make. And it's a constant everyday thing. Anyway,
Previous
anyway.
days. I.
Oh, market just opened. Oh, market just
All right,
opened.
let's watch. We're gonna be trading the SPY.
Market just opened.
the high, the low, and let's do the open right here. There, this is the open.
Now,
High. Yo,
Eddie, we're
yes,
both starting at $1,000.
yes.
So better get with the program, homie.
So challenge account this week is taking 1,000 and who can turn it into 2,000, perpetrating, not real money yet, and turn it into 2,000 in as fast as possible. You know, of course, not taking trades just because you want to be in the trade, see how much money you make. It's just, by using your strategies. My strategy is watching my green line cross over the yellow line, and that's what I make my trade. I do use my 200 as a directional. So as of right now, my SPY is going up. Okay, unless my candles cut over under the 200 and then change direction. I like it when it goes into one direction, it crosses over, and then it pulls back and then continues. And the
Uh,
15-minute rule, wait
yep.
first
Got to wait the
15 minutes to
15
see
minutes.
what the market does.
Not allowed to make a trade until the first 15 minutes of the day. That's just the way it is.
You can't touch it. You can't touch it. You can't touch it. Doing the dom.
Can't do squat. Can't do squat. Nothing.
Doing the dom. Okay. Ride sharing.
Oh man. Good morning out there, everybody. How we doing? I've got Spy chart up, I've got Tesla up, and I've got Nvidia up. Those are my best three. Well, Spy lately has been like my worst freaking nightmare,
Well,
but
my QQQ duplicates what the SPY is doing. So I think I'm gonna have to switch my QQQ into something else. It's just that sometimes I'll see something in QQQ that he's doing, but it looks like sometimes it doesn't work that way because the QQQ follows the SPY.
oh, this opening range bound on Tesla would have been a nice trade though already. Oh, the 190 puts would have been really nice. It's firing off now. It's already up like $250. Oh, the
What?
whole wow, Nvidia tanking, Tesla tanking. Look at it, bro. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this crap. Look at this, bro.
Oh, well,
Woo!
I was looking at
On,
Tesla quite deeply yesterday.
wait, look on the left chart is the 190 put. On the right chart is the actual stock price.
Look at this. I have this 189.63 level here. That is the next level that is going to hit on Tesla, which I was thinking about purchasing and holding it for a couple of days for the next level. Where is it? Right down here of about 182.24. See what it does? Just like one option.
Uh huh.
And the reason is because on the daily, no, it hasn't broken under. If it breaks that one, if it breaks that, how did I find it?
Well, I've got it set at 190.14.
See, if it breaks that level, it goes under the two lines. See, it has never gone under what is this? My 45. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Here, let me bring it up. Let me bring your chart up for you.
once
There
it
you go.
switches over to
What
once
up,
it switches
Herb?
over,
Herb, all the way in from Cali, from
oh,
LA.
California, oh, they're making money over there. They got some good thing. Well, the market, I mean, they got money to spend. See this
There's no,
daily? It's just like it looks like it's look on my daily. It's bouncing right off the 200. Man, it's about to hit this level right here, this 189, which I just marked.
it doesn't matter. Just take it all in. We're waiting until 9:45.
No, but this is my real account. I want to take an option and hold on to it for
Mm,
a couple of days.
okay, okay. I am not going to trade a livestock until March 1st. I'm
There it
not
goes.
trading
Look,
live until March 1st.
poof.
189. Look at this Tesla, man. This one contract, this 190 contract
That you have?
is already. No, I didn't play. No, because we said 945. I'd
So,
already be up about $300 on this contract if I took this opening bound range. I'd be up like $300
oh
already.
my God, look at this.
But I decided not to do it. I said I'm going to play by our rules.
No trading the first 15 minutes. This is Tesla.
Yep.
Damn it. And my next point in Tesla, hold on.
This contract opened up at 5.6, right? And it is now at
Look at this.
7.6.
By the way, Tesla, it's under the 200 in the 30 minutes. Under the
Uh-huh.
200. Look, and it already pulled back up to it pre-market. It came back up to it. It's bouncing right off of it. It's just
Yeah,
the
bro.
downward momentum is there. I just don't know if the green line. Here comes the pullback. Here comes the pullback. And I just feel like, live trading this and holding on to it for a couple of days.
Okay. That's fair. That's fair.
I just don't know if I don't know. This
What kind
is
of
right
volume
here.
freaking Tesla come in at this morning? Holy shit, already at 16.5 million on Tesla. Woo! That's a lot of volume.
See right here. This is the next spot right here. There, videos. Right? Am I marking this right?
Hold on, I'm coming to you right now. Hold on. Are you
Right
marking what
there.
right?
Right there. My next spot right here where it could bounce off of
Yep.
180, 181.06. Oh, there we go. Hold on. I got it. No, right here. Look at my lines. No, it's right there. It would be right there. 177.99. Right?
I got a, I,
177.
I've got a 183.87 as my next that's my next support level down, and then 175.79. But we're in the range. We're in the ballpark.
Yeah, correct.
What I'm doing is I'm following my channel. There's a channel here on Tesla, bro. There's a big ass channel, and it just bottomed out and bounced off the bottom of this channel. So we're gonna wait and see if it can break back above 190 or not, and
Look at
hold
this.
close above 190,
Oof.
and then we're gonna go from there.
See, this is totally, totally different. And I'll take this one and write it to 177. Let me see what I have with I don't know. Let's
Morning,
just
Wes. Wes has joined us. He's in the house. He is
Wes.
here. He is ready.
Let me
Wes,
see
I hope
this.
you out there getting some money this morning, bro. Post Super Bowl. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was happy Kansas City won that game.
I was happy. So I was
I
actually making money.
I only watched the second half, but I was happy that Kansas City won that game. All right, we're getting some. We're getting. Let's see. The VIX is dropping, even though it's still over 21. The
Damn.
dollar is coming down. Bonds are coming down. That's usually good for stocks. But bro, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world. Like all kinds of stuff down, bro. All right. Wes says I am declining all the trash because Uber's taking the surge money unless you're smart.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if people ask me about that. It's like, yeah, they are. They're actually taking it. Oh, it's an XL ride. I'll say yes, an XL ride because you're including the surge.
Yep. Did an LAX ride, came right back home. LOL.
Yeah, a
Bro,
bunch,
you got to pick your spots. You know what I'm saying?
a
You got to
bunch of
pick your
thieves,
spots,
man.
bro.
Bunch of thieves.
See, Eddie don't know about that garbage that Lyft sent me yesterday. Because I'm still my mind is blown away by it, bro. I got the absolute worst Lux Black request yesterday I have ever seen,
What'd you get?
and I was so stunned that I couldn't move to take a screenshot. You ready? 30 miles, 30 miles, 55 minutes. Lyft Lux Black, $51.
Ooh, ooh, that's gotta hurt.
Ride should have been $78. It just that will be the one that'll stick with me for a long time. Now, a little later in the night, I got a 20-mile ride. Actually, it was just under 20 miles, but we'll call it 20 miles. Uber Premier, right? Uber Premier, no surge. Uber Premier, 20 miles, 35 minutes, paid 41 dollars. And then she threw a $12 tip. So $52 for 20 miles. Well, you can't say that, you can't put the tip on it. $40 for 20 miles, which is right. It's wow, 35 minutes, right? That puts me at about $75 an hour. If for the people that like to keep that kind of number. But Lyft wanted me to do a Lux Black where you got to act a little fancy. Man, please, bro.
Yeah,
All right,
no,
get close,
no.
Eddie. Get close. Getting close.
Yeah, here
Oh,
it goes. Here it goes, and I'm actually getting my pullback right here. I feel watching the 1 minute. I get the pullback in anticipating of the break of 409.44.
well, here's the thing. I got Tesla hitting this channel at the bottom of my channel. So I got to see what it wants to do here. And this channel I've got drawn is a multi-day channel. What are you looking at there, Hoss? What? I'm looking at Nvidia. Nvidia and Tesla are mimicking each other. Spy can't figure out what it wants to do. It's such a horrible market pump right now. I might even wait longer. I'm not going to make a trade till I see a good setup, bro. I just I'm not going to trade for the sake of trade. All right, we got three candles that are closing at or above the 190.14 area. Spy, bro. Somebody's they're trying to manipulate the market, bro. This is craziness.
I don't know. What's the pre-market high here? 409.54. Let me put this over here. 409.54. I want to see what it does here before I take the trade. All right. 409.54. There we go. Now it's pulling back from the 409.
Yep.
See, technically I should be in, but my 15-minute rule. My 15-minute rule. And hopefully it works out because it's pulling back right on time again on the 1 minute.
Yep.
Two
Yep. Yep.
minute is doing it too. That's what I want. Here, 45. All right, here we go. First 15 minutes. Oh, man. Here are my calls. Let me see. See, Vinny? I'm using your little strategy.
What's that, my
Spy.
brother?
Three strikes out. Three
What's that,
strikes.
my brother?
Here's my put. Okay, my spy. Hold on. I'm in the
Let me try to
spy,
catch
right?
up. Let me
Spy,
catch up
spy.
comments here.
Oh, yeah.
Vinny,
Okay.
Vinny, look at Lyft stock. Yeah, bro. Listen, I capitalized on the Lyft stock last week. I capitalized. A lot of us did. We knew it was gonna tank, dude. We knew it was gonna tank, but right now it's doing nothing.
All right. I'm by my 10 of
Uh,
spy for the day, 412s at $35, I think it was, which puts me at about 350 in.
okay.
Okay,
I have still not made a trade.
expecting this 409.53 break, which it technically did, but it's kind of like I don't know. But my lines are indicating upward movement.
Uh-huh. I see
So I'm
that.
anticipating I'm anticipating the break. Oh, wait. See what I mean? See, and I want it to break. I want it to break to the upside. Okay, it broke to the upside. Now I just see that big wick right here. I don't like it already. I don't like it already.
I'm still not in nothing yet. I haven't touched anything yet. Not touching anything yet.
It doesn't look like it wants to go up past this 4953 level.
To the upside on SPY, I've got 410.25 if it can get there, but it needs to close above pre-market high.
Yeah,
It just doesn't look like it wants to do it.
nope. It doesn't look like it at all.
Could be a trap day, bro. Could be a trap day. It's choppy. There's no direction. I don't see any
All right.
direction.
I'm selling my 10. I'm selling my 10. There you go. I'm out. I don't like how it broke right about. It would have been nice if it broke and the candle stayed up here.
Okay.
I just don't like how it's consolidating right under it and it just looks like it's just going to turn around and go the other way.
All right. So you had what, 350 on that trade?
350 on that trade.
So that leaves you with 650 to play with for the rest of the day.
Correct.
Okay. Because that's part of the rules. It's
Two
part of the
more
rules.
trades.
I'm
But
still
then
seeing a zero.
if it breaks this, what's the
We got
pre-market
some
high?
rules, y'all, in this trade, and we got some rules in this game. So that you guys understand, this is all paper trading. We are using the Webull platform. If you are interested in the Webull platform, I am going to put something up for you right here that
It
you
is
can scan this
free. It
code.
is free. Don't pay
You
for
can scan
anything.
this code in the upper right hand corner. You'll see the little QR code. You can scan that code, download the app onto your phone or your desktop, whatever you want. It don't cost you nothing. and you can start to, play around, mess around, and begin to understand what it is to paper trade, options, shares, or whatnot. You can start getting into the trading game. So just scan that code up top. You'd be all right. You'd be all right. And
All right,
trust
good.
me, we all started with zero knowledge.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna do it again. I'm going to do it again. I just don't like the bulb. All right, I'm gonna get in again. Little expensive. Hold on. You're right. They're a little expensive.
What are you messing with?
My calls.
You going back at SPY?
What? Yeah, I should have stayed in it, but I just needed my candle to close above the high, which is about to do that.
So maybe next time start with a smaller size, maybe 3 or 5 contracts, and then you can always add as it's going if it's moving your direction. You could always add more contracts in. You're still going to make money. So maybe you don't have to jump in with 10 right off the rip. Just something to think about. There's nothing wrong with adding to your position if it's a winning position. Where a lot of traders get trapped is, and I've done it countless times. I know better, and I still flip and did it. Is I'll dollar cost average down, thinking it's going to flip, but the trend is your friend, so you have to stay with the trend.
Well, trend right now. See how the candle didn't close
Oh, excuse me.
above my line? And then it just keeps coming down. That's why I always needed to close above it.
Oh shit, that's the wrong side. God damn it, Goose.
Tesla's bouncing off that level again.
Yep, it's breaking down below it. I mean, I've got a 185 put dialed up, but I'm not in it yet. I am definitely not in the put yet. Although it's getting close. It's getting close.
Ooh.
Is it going to break below new low a day on Tesla? Oh man, I should have jumped in this one. Holy shit.
Oh, see, look at Spy. Spy's coming down. Um,
I don't know, man. I mean, the moves are there. The moves are definitely there.
this is my yeah, this is my live account. Ah, all right, but this is I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro.
What don't you know, bruh? What don't you know, bruh?
No, no, I'm just looking at my Tesla on my live account. It's just that on my live account, everything is set up differently. Here we go.
It's hard to say what Tesla wants to do. It's hard to say what the whole market wants to do. The whole market's jacked.
It could, but I have this really nice support level right here. It's just, I just, I don't know. Okay, here is my all right. Okay, here I am. Let's just
All right, I'm getting ready to. I'm waiting on another. I'm waiting to see if Tesla is gonna. I'm on the 1 minute chart on Tesla. I'm waiting for it to get back to the 9 EMA, and if it rejects, then I think I'm gonna take a put because I've got my fib extension set up. Now we're just waiting.
all
Now we're
right.
waiting.
Well, I am in my Tesla's back in again at what's this? Four
What's the
something?
bid? What's the bid? 540, 545.
Four
Oh,
twelves. 412s at 40. 412s at 40. Now I'm just gonna write it. Um,
what am I in at? 545. All right, I'm in
yeah,
one Tesla
four.
contract. I'm in one Tesla contract. See if I'm gonna lose my ass or not. I don't think I jumped early, but let's see what happens here.
What on the puts?
Yeah, I jumped in a put, and it's definitely going against. Well, we're hitting up against the 9 EMA now. But remember, this is a weekly contract. This isn't a same day contract. This is not a 0 day contract.
Correct. Mine is
And she's doing exactly what I thought she was going to do. She flashed the 9 EMA and now she's coming down. I could see Tesla coming down to 186. 186 should put me in a nice little piece of profit for the day. With a
okay. Here's
really with a really wishful list of breaking down to 184.40. Oh, what's going on in the comments? Nothing in the comments. What's going on, y'all? Tell me what you guys are looking at. How was your Super Bowl weekend? Did you guys make some money over the weekend? Because I made squat diddly do, but I was sick all week. I on the apps I got to 575 on the apps, under 20 hours worth of work. Just sick, man. Just sick. I made a couple bucks more than that, but not much. But I had some privates in there, so we don't count those as part of the app.
where am I here?
All right, Spy's getting ready to hit that 41060.
Yep, and I
My contract.
am I'm technically in right now, and I'm going for my and I just really didn't like that consolidation level.
I want to come over here and see what everybody's talking about over here.
I'm technically in right now. 412. No, no.
All right, so I'm gonna bring up my screen for a minute because I want people to see what I'm looking at. On the right hand screen is my Tesla screen. This one here. I'm riding this trend line down. This is what's making me think that we should see some more rejection on Tesla. Doesn't mean that's going to happen. But if we break above that trend line and fire above VWAP, you can see VWAP is right at that trend line right now. So we're going to see what happens there. I am down currently on this contract. Positions, as you can see, I'm down $42 on this contract right now. But this contract doesn't expire until Friday. So what I can't show you for some reason, and I'm still having trouble, is I can't show you my Fibonacci extension. That's not the same as a Fibonacci retracement. This is a whole different animal with Fib. Nvidia's popping, SPY's popping about it's at 410.50. I cannot believe SPY is running like the only thing I can figure is everybody knows the CPI number tomorrow, Eddie. Everybody knows that CPI number is going to take an absolute turn for the worse tomorrow. Inflation is going to come in very, very hot. So the market is going to dump tomorrow. It has to dump tomorrow. And if it does that, that means they're pumping it up today. And that's what you got to be careful of, the pumps. All right, Eddie, I got you at 410.47 right now, 49. What's your game plan? What are you looking to get out at?
um, I'm
What
looking to get, I was trying to get my I'm a little late in, so I just want to make sure that I stayed above this. But I'm still looking for my 1-to-1 ratio, 1-to-1 to my 1.5 ratio, which is
okay.
a I don't know. I was in at what is this?
See, we just broke
55?
my trend line. Is it gonna break VWAP though? If we get above VWAP, I'm gonna have to take a loss on this contract. Actually, I don't really have to. It's not a
No,
0 day
just
contract.
hold on to it.
Yeah, I can hold on to this. I still have $455 of buying power for the day. Nvidia just broke a new high a day. SPY is bumping right up against that 410.60. Oh man. Good morning, Richie. How you doing, Richie?
Hey there, Richie.
How you Richie, how you doing, man? How you doing, man? How you doing?
Okay,
Richie,
I'm still holding on to my tens, looking for a pullback to the nine. Hopefully it holds and continue.
Richie, we started a new challenge this week. Um, I was fortunate enough to win the last challenge. So we both started from $1,000 on a paper trading account. First to 2,000 wins the challenge. We did not make a trade, did not take a trade. I don't think I took my trade until like 10 o'clock. No, I took my trade about 9:50, 9:55, something like that. I am in a Tesla put. I'm in the what is it? The 185 put for Friday. Eddie is in SPY calls 412s. Eddie?
I am in 410, 412, 412 puts. I mean, 412 calls.
Okay. And how many contracts?
10,
And what did those cost you?
40. Average price,
Oh,
right? Is this what it be?
yeah.
It says right here, average price is 40.
All right. So that leaves you at 250 for the day. I'm still
So
sitting at 455 for the day. Uh the dollar is dropping hard. You would think that's good for stocks. But I mean the dollar is still elevated. Don't get me wrong, it's still at 103.40. Nvidia is now retracing a little bit. Uh Tesla's hanging right at this trend line, bro. It's like it doesn't want to get above it, doesn't want to get below it. My 90 or my 45 and my 135 and my 200 are still in a downward trend. But what's giving me a little bit of hope here, I shouldn't say hope. What's confirming my thought, my thinking, my probability thinking, is that the not my 45, my 5 minute chart EMA just broke below VWAP.
Okay.
So to me, it signals that we should have a continued downtrend, and we can see now Tesla's starting to. We got a little bit of a candle here, starting to push back down. Let's bring your chart up. Let's bring your chart up. There you go, my friend. Carry my world. Uber has been trashed lately. Ain't that the truth? Well,
Yeah.
God, Eddie, I can't. For me, Uber is right where it's supposed to be. The problem is I'm not getting enough requests. Lyft has been trash for me. All right, Carrie's saying once they went to upfront pricing, yeah, I know, brother, I
Yeah,
know.
like they come up
There's
with they come up with these things, and then okay, fine, we don't want them, but they put them in there anyway, and then we figure out a way to work it with to our advantage, and then they take them away.
snatch it right back. I have not gotten any of the new simplified details on the upfront pricing. I'm still getting the full readout, which is good. I prefer the full readout. Maybe for some people they can't read it that quick, and I get it, but I still prefer the full readout. You worked with simplified details all weekend, right? Has it been better for you? Has it been worse for you?
Sip, you know, if it doesn't look right, I decline it. I really decline it. By the way, I got out of my options at a profit. It's not that much. I should have held on, but I don't know. I was just not liking it.
What was your percentage?
I don't know. I made $20 on it,
Okay, all right.
plus whatever I had in losses. But here he goes again. Hold on. Let me get rid of this call right here.
I say right now we got. I mean, there is a step ladder. You have a trend line. You see, you have a channel,
You're
right?
correct. Yeah, I see this. I see this, and I got enough for one more trade. I got enough for one more trade. Hold on.
Let's see what Carrie says here. Says, yeah, I was living in North Florida, and they paid me $1.25 a mile and included the complete breakdown. Now they don't do that. They also removed long pickup pay. Yeah, that's one feature nobody talks about anymore that they took away. If you had to go 5, 6, 7 miles or 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes to pick the person up, you would get like you get a little bit of change for that. They give you, that long distance pickup fee. Now that's gone. Now it's all consolidated as part of the algorithm. Nobody talks about that. You're right, Gary. You're right. Carry my world. You're right about that. Nobody talks about that enough. I'm still sitting in this contract, dude. I'm down like $7 in it. But if you notice, bro, look at this. It's still riding my trend line down.
Yeah. By the way, I bought a with my real money. 160 put. Uh, what is this? 11 days out.
For what? For Tesla?
Yeah.
Oof. I don't know how I feel about that one, but
Well, you know,
I'm not you.
that's what that's what I had. They don't have it. Oh, I do have 4 days. Okay. So I sell it
You got
in
time?
the week. In the week,
Yeah, yeah, of course.
I got plenty
Oh,
of
I'm not saying you're
time.
wrong. I'm not saying you're wrong.
It is yeah 160. I don't know. I just kind of like
If you're just joining us, if you look, you can scan that QR code in the upper right hand corner. This video is not sponsored. This is not financial advice. This is Eddie and Vinny and Eddie, sitting here playing with pretty colored lines. Um, but if you want to start to practice and get a taste and a feel for stock trading, scan that code in the upper right hand corner there. It'll take you to the Webull trading platform. That's what we use. I prefer Webull trading platform to anything else I've ever used. It's simple, but you can add as many details to your trading platform as you want, or you can remove. It's all based on widgets, and yeah, I like I like Webull. And the fills, if you are a seasoned trader, if you understand what the fills mean, um, listen, when you buy, it fills. There's not a lot of slippage in there. Some people will say, "Yeah, there's slippage." I haven't. I have never noticed the slippage.
but
But then
pivot
again,
trading is the best way to go in the beginning. Don't use life money. I have made some mess ups, and it was not because of my trading. It's because I messed up on the actual platform itself. Placing my order, not looking at the right one. Oh, it would have hurt me if it was real money. It would have hurt me bad. Oh yeah.
so it looks like we got some consolidation on SPY. It looks like now Tesla's in a little zone, although it's breaking above my trend line. It looks like it might be a consolidation area. Let me see what we got
Here's
here.
this 410 level. How'd you pick up this 410 level that you was talking about?
How did I pick up the 410 level?
Yeah, where are you with this 410 level? I'm not
Because I
following
went
when you
back. I went back a few days. I scaled out. See, I scaled out on the on the SPY chart, and it showed me. So if you
410
take,
16. Hold on, I can't
I
see
got
it.
it at 410.60, but it's close enough. You're in the range.
410 60, 410 65.
410.60. Yeah, that's where I'm at. You're in the range.
I just don't see that as because we're like. Are you looking at my screen?
It's a
Yeah, you are
it's a
looking. It's like
yeah,
it's
it's a
right here,
micro
right?
410.60, right.
But
No,
then
scale
we basically destroyed it right here with these candles. It was just like just
doesn't
went right
matter.
through
It came back and broke below it. And then it hit up against it and it's trying to reject again off of it.
it.
Scale out. Scale out. You'll see what I'm saying?
Hold on.
No, 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 no. You're still dealing. I want you to scale out 4 or 5 days to the last time it was up in this range. There you go.
Okay.
See, you're
It's
playing
like
the very top of the breakouts.
four
Scale,
ten 12.
tighten up that chart more. Tighten up that chart some more. No, that's loosening. I want you to tighten it up. Scrunch it up.
Uh-huh.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Now you see all the way back here to the left? You
Uh-huh.
got a
Right
couple
here.
of spots in there, yeah, but just above whatever that white line is you got now, your top line.
Yeah.
What is that top line at?
What is this? Like 411.74.
But you see, at the beginning of
411.
this uptrend, you've got I mean, you're in the range, dude. You're in the range.
I don't know. I just figured the lines like this support and resistance right here with the red, it wouldn't matter because this one already basically took all this out.
Remember, when you're drawing a support or resistance line, you want that line to hit 3 or 4 points across your entire range. So if I'm looking at a 1-minute chart over the last 24 hours, I'm looking for support resistance that hits an area 3 or 4 times along that line. That's how you determine your support resistance. You follow me?
Yeah.
If I'm looking over a 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, 30-day period, I'm still looking for areas that hit a certain area of support resistance 3, 4, 5 times along that line. That lets me know, even if it breaks above it and comes right back down, it doesn't matter because somewhere else on that chart, it hit that spot and rejected, or it hit that spot and bounced up. Basic trading 101, brother. Let's see what else does Carrie say here. Carrie says, I used a filter on the Tesla rental to avoid tolls. Good job. They offered me a 4.85 ride with $2 unpaid toll fee for pickup. So I declined it, and we have to get smarter and just decline the ripoffs. That's it, brother. That's it, brother. Hang in there, everyone. I made 1690 last week, and he took 2 days off. That's a
Yeah.
hustler there, buddy. That's a hustler
Yeah.
there.
No, I took my first like I think it's like 3 or 4 days. I got really lazy. Today I did wake up early today, but I didn't get home until about like 12. I didn't. I'm sorry. I didn't hit my bed till about 12, and I wake up at 3. I was like, dude, I said I can't. I'm gonna fall asleep behind the wheel.
Mm.
But that's all right. Um, just make my money today, and then I'm back in my routine. So
Well, that's the other thing, dude. I mean, it really bothered me because 2 weeks ago, like I said, I made a commitment to drive more, and then I got sick, and then it's like, fudge, man. So
by the
we got to
way, I
recommit.
have.
We got to recommit today.
By the way, I think
By
I'm
the
done
way,
trading for today. I think I'm done trading for today. It's just like this is my opportunity right down here.
mm-hmm.
This would just be a continuation. I mean, the only thing I could do right now is scalp, which I'll take the trade like now. Wait for it to get to 410, see if it pops. If it pops, sell right away.
Okay,
But
it's a choppy morning, bro. Very
yeah,
choppy. The opening range, that first 15 minutes was huge. Looks like across the board for all the stocks and indices. And now everything's just kind of like ranging. It's like it doesn't know what it wants to do. But I want you to go look at that 410 again on SPY. Go ahead and set your line at 410.50 on SPY. Just set a line. Well, you can see it. You don't even have to do that. Look at it. It's flagging. It's flagging in an uptrend. You see the flag?
yeah,
It's flagging in an uptrend. But we don't know what the probability is that it would continue to the upside. That's the probability. That doesn't mean it's going to continue to the upside.
we just need volume for confirmation.
We don't have volume. SPY
Nope.
has SPY has crap on volume.
And in other words, we need like a candle like this, like a big candle like this. Now we just,
Also, check your RSI. Look where your RSI is.
yep, it
RSI
is.
is at what, 75 right now?
It's really up into the overbought.
Yep. All right. Now I got Tesla hitting it's trying to get back up to VWAP.
Yep, I
Let's
have it too over there at VWAP.
Now it's hitting my 5 minute chart EMA. It's right at it.
Damn, this candle, these wicks are just too big. By the way, if anybody like is learning how to trade and all that stuff, like it is so much easier to read the chart when you have like solid candles because it just shows that it's just gonna go in that the odds are that it's just gonna keep going in that direction because the volume is there. When it does these little wicks, man, what Vinny calls it dojis, it's just like I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know,
Yeah,
maybe,
yeah, man, he's
maybe,
bus.
you know.
See now, if I were, let me show you something, Eddie.
See that? Looks
If
like
I were,
it's gonna break to the upside.
if I were on a day trade, if this was a 1 day trade, which I'm not going to do right here because I'm expecting a lot of garbage tomorrow. Um, we've broken my downtrend candle, the red trend, and I
I'm gonna
should be
try
out of
it.
this trade. I should be out of this trade right now. But I'm waiting for VWAP. So
Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I bought. I mean, it's only $240 or something like that. Let's see if it holds. Okay, and it continues for a break of 410. I don't know. It is overbought. RSI's looking to turn, but I don't know. I'm about to see. I want it to basically just continue.
it could. Like I said, it was a flag.
Correct. But I have my line. I don't know. See that on the 1 minute is right above my line. Yeah. By the way, it's like this simple. Again, it could turn around the other way because it's really away from my opportunity. So I could have, should have right down here, but I like my pullbacks. Really like my pullbacks.
As my friend Omar would say, never bet against Tesla. And then, like I try to explain to Omar, I'm not betting against Tesla.
I'm just going with the trend.
Going with the
No,
trend.
okay. I'm taking it. Okay, I am done trading for today. Um, see what happens when it just doesn't sell when I want it to? So I'm break even. Break even for today.
Break even.
Yeah, I'm break even.
All
It
right.
didn't
Well,
go. It didn't go.
I'm gonna ride this contract till 11 a.m. because that's the only way I can keep, to be able to put our numbers up for the thumbnail. There's nothing I can do about that because if not, it's going to show me that I'm down $110 now, but I haven't sold the contract yet. Well, no, I guess if I'm down 110 for the day,
On
right,
your calls?
on this one call, yeah. Well, I'm on a put. Remember, I'm on a 185 put, but this is a weekly
Oh,
contract.
hold on. You're talking about a Tesla then.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. See, if you look right here, it tells you I'm down 110, 105. But if I want to hold the contract, how are we going to make that for the thumbnail? I guess just whatever. I haven't lost the money yet because I'm still in the contract. But I guess I could list it as a loss, 105 for the day. Carry My World says they also lowered the weekly pricing for Tesla to 299 per week. They finally deposited the 250 for keeping Diamond promotion. Oh, so your Diamond promotion up there paid you 250. Man, it's funny. Different markets paid out different amounts of money, bro.
Mine was 475. I mean, I never got it, but 475 was mine.
And mine here is I think it's 350. So they really value your market. Your market must be a heavy hitter market, Austin,
So,
Texas. It
well,
has to be.
we'll see. Because remember, we got the tech companies here and stuff, and but it's very, 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 very saturated to the point where surges just barely, they just like almost don't exist.
True. True, 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 true. All right, another thing I want to put up is if you guys are into videotaping or live streaming in any way shape or form, You can scan that code, and it says "Buy me a coffee." It's really not "Buy me a coffee," but you can scan that code and you can test out Restream for yourself if you're into live streaming. Just something to put out there. But if you're into the Webull thing, you want to learn, here you go. Just hit the code, the upper
Right up
right
at the
hand corner.
top. Right up at the top.
All right, Spy's trying to rip back up to high a day. It's not there yet, but it's getting close.
Yeah, no, I don't like it. I just think it's getting high.
Meanwhile, Tesla is retracing.
Yeah, my options is not for a couple of days out.
So
See how it's
I was
going?
thinking,
It's going, but just this.
don't we're not getting a lot of views this morning for the trading, bro.
No, a lot of people probably stayed out last night really late to make this money for the Super Bowl.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Or they're working good this morning. Oh, let's see. Let's see what my market looks like right now. I know this morning I did glance at it. It looked pretty good. Lyft had the fake bonus out.
Damn, look at it. If I would have just held it. But then I don't know where I put my stop. Stop would have been like down here. Be patient.
Yeah,
Um,
exactly, dude. I'm sniffling too over here.
yeah, no, I think it was my daughter. My daughter was got like a little cough and she gave it to me. It's going away. I'm surprised it's going away
Bro,
this
you know what?
fast.
There were the whatever I had, they reported that the Kansas City Chief players kind of had the same thing. Look at the level 2. Look at level 2 on Tesla right now. It was almost just flat a minute ago on level 2 on Tesla. Look at my upper we underneath the Weeble code. Look at my level 2. It was just I'm
Uh-huh.
telling you, not even 20 seconds ago this shit was flat. Nobody buying, nobody selling. All right. Well,
I don't know.
I got no surge on Uber Lyft. I mean on Uber, and I've got a little bit on Lyft. A little bit going out there on Lyft, not a lot. For 10:30 in the morning. I'll be out. I plan to get out by 3 o'clock and be on the road. I got to recommit. I got to do it again. Steven says, I put out a text this morning in a group text. I hope everybody did well last night. Steven said he didn't do as well as he could have. Traffic over at the arena was so bad. Yeah, I can imagine.
What was his daily income for that day?
I don't know what he made yesterday. I haven't talked to him yet. He's doing one of two things because he was thinking about staying out there so that he could work this morning, right? So he could work this morning and make some airport runs or whatever, and then head back home. Or he was just going to say the heck with it. And when he woke up, just start heading back to LA. Spy broke that 410.60. It's currently at 410.70,
Yep. Now it's gotta hold it.
but still no real volume, dude. Like no real volume.
See this? It's gotta hold it right. It's gotta hold that. Like if it comes back to it, it's gotta hold it and then continue. See that? But this is what I have to stop. I have to stop selling too soon. This is one of the issues that I'm having. So my entry was right down here. My lines very well separated.
Hold on, let
Okay,
me bring
from the
it up so you can
200.
see it. Let's bring it up so you can see it. Go
See
ahead.
that? My entry should have been down here as I was in the beginning, but I got out. Feel,
Right.
that it wasn't gonna go in my direction. I should have just held it. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Um, and it went right above it. It's just once my lines indicate, then I could get that 1 to 1.5, that 1.5 ratio.
Right.
How do I know how many points it has gone up from over here to there?
What do you mean? You mean As far as what percentage?
Hold on, 409. So for yeah, I would literally got my 1.5. So my 300 and something dollar whatever I would have made what is that?
Sorry, bro. I'm bugging right now on Spy.
I would have made a little bit over four if I'm right.
Such a it's such a pump on Spy, bro. Oof.
Three, three, four, five. Yeah, I would have got my 1.5. But I
Such
gotta let
a
it ride.
pump on
I gotta
Spy.
let it ride.
Yes, sir.
The fear, baby, the fear. I was in good and it kept doing this and this because usually when it does this and this, it kind of just, you know, dumps.
Right. So I got a pre-market low of 192.31 on Tesla. Has not gotten back there yet, but it's really close. And then I've got yesterday's what was it? Or Friday's low of day was 192.76. A lot of selling pressure at this point. A lot of selling pressure. That's what the wicks are showing me. Wicks are showing me a lot of selling pressure.
Well, remember the
Anyway,
spy you're talking about on
I'm talking about on
spies got this all these
no
sellers to get rid
Spy,
of on the way up.
bro. Spy is freaking. I don't get it. Like it's just moving. It's moving up. Nobody believes the inflation. I'm telling you, this is a pre CPI number pump. Watch tomorrow what happens with Spy. By the way, Eddie, this is a good time to put this up. Okay, make
Oh
sure
wait,
you
hold
got
on,
your
let me
whiteboard.
see.
Make sure you got your whiteboard ready. Okay, what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do. I would hope you would join me with this, right? So we keep everybody in time. So this first one, this is your weekly. This is your weekly chart, your weekly tracker. How much money you made in rideshare? On Monday, then add Monday and Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, keep that here. Whatever you made or lost in trading, well, right now we use paper trading because I'm not doing any more live trading till March. And then your complimentary could be your YouTube affiliates if you want to put that out there. I don't know if you want to do that or not. But every week, every day, this will be updated. Rideshare, trading, and complimentary. And the reason why I want to do that for everybody is because what the hell? Is
You
because I
broke it.
I want to be as yeah, it's my mouse. I want to be as transparent as possible. I want to be as transparent as possible, dude. Like I have to be.
Well, my
I talk about this.
affiliate is all.
Well, you don't have to. No, you don't have to show affiliates. I'm just saying whatever kind of complimentary or whatever. Hold on.
Oh wow, and just if the numbers come out bad, will that affect Tesla
What do you mean?
in a negative way?
Well, see, that's the thing. Even if the CPI is all jacked up, bro, Tesla moves to its own drum. Like it's hardly ever affected by anything. You know what I'm saying? Tesla is such a wicked animal, dude. It kind of moves its own deal.
So, well, I'm in my contract. So,
Right. I am too. I'm sitting in this Tesla contract.
but
I'm down
it's
100
11 days out. So I got 11 days to figure out what's gonna go.
mhm.
What's
I'm
gonna go?
down
I need a
130
damn
right now.
gaming chair, bro. I need a new gaming chair.
Why? What's wrong with your chair?
My kids, when they were younger, both of them will sit in it and
Okay. Oh, okay,
basically
okay.
messed up the tube.
Okay. Gotcha.
So now when I put it up, I shrink right back down. So if I put my seat up, and it's uncomfortable as hell, there it goes, and it just goes right back down. But yeah, boy. Anybody? I mean, Wes. I know West. I know West trades. I think Umar also was trading. Yeah, the damn Fantrip, my new video is gonna come out at 3 p.m. Central. I gotta edit it. I went to sleep like very late and I couldn't edit. So as soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna edit and then dude, see this? See this? See what happens when I don't trade my plan? When I don't trade my plan? I should just win like this, just okay, I'm in, that's it. I gotta go. Out of that
Well,
350, out of that 350, I'm willing to lose half that to make double that.
right. Well, there is a channel there, but it took a while to develop. That's why I
But
said
yeah.
this bro is going to be choppy, choppy, choppy.
And by the way, friend, I mean the idea of the videos is to just show that the money's out there. It's just how much money. I mean, of course, the more time you put into it, the more money you make. But you just gotta bust your butt. You have to like really go out there, make the money, just take the money and reinvest it somewhere because everybody talks about it's like yeah, you don't accept junk rides, um, you know don't accept crap rides and all that stuff. In which I do understand that, but you know, um, if you need to make the money, make the money. All right. Just make sure that you have a goal at the end of it this way, because if you start thinking about it's like not accepting not accepting rides because they look like they're junk and stuff, you might be missing out on opportunities. For the reason is that sometimes there are these really, really, really doo-doo rides that nobody wants, but the client is really looking forward to somebody picking them up and they'll tip you. Kind of like yesterday, I had this really, really doo-doo ride, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a shot at this because they're probably extremely drunk. Nobody wants to pick them up, all right, because it's really low. I ended up making my ride. I think I made like $6 on it, but the damn girl tipped me 60. But because she was so intoxicated that I walked her up to her apartment. So bad, bro. She was like bad,
Fan
bad.
Trev, I appreciate that. I've got somebody. I got an email, man. I got to follow up on somebody local one to get together and talk a little bit. And as you can see, it ain't Minnie Mouse no more. Minnie Mouse is gone. I'm out to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Yeah, that Minnie Mouse is gone now. Oh, it looks like the market's trying to rebound. I still don't trust it. I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit in this contract, dude. I'm down a ton.
Yeah,
I'm down
yeah.
a
Like I don't understand why you're down a ton.
because it's an option. The option is this is what I mean about Tesla. Tesla moves
Oh,
so
you're talking
much.
about the Tesla one. Okay.
Yeah, that's when I'm down. I haven't lost it yet because I haven't traded out of it, but I'm down. Oof, I'm down.
Well, technically, so am I. But that's on
But it's
my
okay. It's okay. I've got enough because the thing I can't show you because for whatever reason I'm still having trouble going from computer to computer with the trading view. I don't know why it's doing it like that, bro. I don't know. I don't know.
dude,
But
dude, I gotta edit these videos, man.
well, get on your video, bro. People are waiting for your videos, bro. They like your videos. I like your videos. I think your videos are cool.
Just show some B-roll, talk, show some B-roll, then talk some more, show some B-roll.
I started making a video yesterday, and then I'm telling you, man, when I saw that one lip, I usually don't get shook like that off a video of uh, he says, "Yeah, you sound better, Vinny." Everybody had a good time last week at my expense. I'm glad. What? I make you laugh? What? Funny like a clown? Huh? Huh? I make
Yeah.
you laugh funny like
Then
a clown?
it's your voice, and then you tried, because you really wanted to express yourself, but it was just you will watch that. I think I don't know what show it was, and the guy he was a comedian, and he was having his own talk show. He was being a host for this. All these people with all these different problems, and some of these his guests had voice boxes because they lost their voice
Right.
because of a medical condition, right?
Right.
And the girl started talking, and he kept giggling. So, he was trying not to laugh. He was trying not to laugh. He lost. That was his first time in the show, and it was his first time and last time. Show
Oh,
didn't go freaking anywhere.
didn't do too
And
good, huh?
then every time she talked, it was a squeaky voice, but coming from the voice box, and he just started laughing, laughing, right? He's like, "Oh, I'm
Right.
sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I didn't mean nothing by it." And then the next thing you know, um, he had to stop and he had to go to the crowd, you know, and then he went to the crowd and some guy with a voice box was
Oh no.
like, dude, he cracked up laughing. That was
Oh,
it. That was the end of the show. Everybody started getting up and just started walking away.
wow.
No, I was like the he was trying to get out of comedy and into something else, and that this is
Right.
definitely not it.
Yeah. Uh, bro, comedians, bro, they gotta be so careful. So careful. But that's kind of wrong though, you know?
Right?
Shouldn't make fun of
He's like,
somebody because they
yeah.
got a medical condition, you know?
It's a medical condition gone wrong, and then he couldn't hold it. He couldn't hold it, and then that guy in the background just set it off, and then I started laughing. I was like, oh, okay, I get it. I know what's going.
Hey.
And
Oh man, I'm gonna have to cut this contract loose. We're hitting up against the 200 EMA now.
well, yeah,
We're
it's been batting off the 200 EMA.
son of a bumpkin here. Hold on, that's not what I want. Where's it at? Yeah, it's starting to hit off this 200 EMA a little bit. I don't like that. That's yours. No, that's mine. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I need to see if I can improve that.
Ooh.
I can't. It won't let me make it any bigger. So now we're breaking through the 200. This
This
Tesla's
is the
gonna
one
work.
minute.
Yeah, that's a 1 minute chart. But on my Fibonacci retracement too, I need to cut this loose. I'm gonna take a loss for today. I'm trying to sell out of this contract. I'm gonna take a loss for the day. Yep, I'm down 192 for the day, my brother. 808 down 192 for the day.
But look at the. I don't know, man.
Yeah, because look, 9 EMA is hauling ass. I should have got out here when it crossed VWAP, it faked me out, and then I got distracted. We were talking about other stuff. So, yep, yep. Let me see. Let me see if I can do something here. Hold on a minute. Let me see if it shows up the way I need it to show up. Hold on.
I mean,
So you
look
can
at the.
see what I'm looking like on my chart.
I mean, if you look at the 4 hour or the 1 hour,
Uh,
the 4 hour, it's just I see like a pivot point, and it's like right there.
so let me show you what I was looking at because I got a lot going on this chart. But I'm going to show you where I sold at right now. Yeah, that's it right there. So I'm going to show you where I sold at. Here's the fib retracement. Right? You know the fib retracement here,
Uh
right?
huh.
Fibonacci, high of day, low of day, and we were sitting in right here. I was comfortable. But once it broke above that 78 range, then I knew this contract was going to be done at least for today. And since I will not hold anything overnight because that's part of the rules, right? Got to be done at 11 a.m. I'm going to take a 192 loss for the day because it broke above the 78% retracement. Once it snapped there, broke above the 200, the 78, that's it. It's done. You look at the here. I can get rid of this retracement and make it a little clearer for you. It's in this channel from way down here. It formed this channel. formed a channel, gave me a little flag here, and it continued to the upside. Another little channel here, another little flag here, back to the upside. So yeah, I am down today $192. Yo, Paulie's in the house. Good morning, Eddie and Vinny. How's the trading today? I suck today. Eddie is doing a little
I'm
better than
doing I'm
today.
doing break even. I'm not doing better. I'm doing break even.
Oh,
Um.
go ahead, and then I'll let you out. I'll let you else who showed up this morning.
Oh, who else do we have? Oh, Sergio. Sergio, yeah, dude. Come on, man.
He
I
works in
don't.
the
I
morning
don't.
though,
I,
bro.
I
Him
don't
and
know what I'm
Kyle,
doing here, Sergio.
Him and Weezoom are out there killing it with
Yeah,
those
look, I got my
those
support and
rides, bro.
resistance here, Sergio. Look at this.
Here, let me bring you up. Let me bring you up. Let me bring you up, bro. Where you at? Where you at? There you go, Hoss.
Okay. Look at those damn lines. Look at those damn lines. Okay. So, I think I got it right. But
Ah,
that Lyft that Lyft and Uber drop was pretty good.
I killed it.
Yeah. Now that one's definitely a learning process, knowing when it's gonna basically tank like that.
Well, listen, it wasn't going to take a whole lot of. Look at this. Look at this. Tesla has recovered all the way back to high a day, right there. Can it break that 195.02? This line should be orange. I use orange for that. Highs and lows a day. Look at that, bro. Tesla came all the way back. It rode this channel. It rode this channel like a champ. Rode this channel like a champ. So if I were on my game today, because remember, Eddie, I kept waiting, bro. I kept waiting for the setup. Kept waiting for the setup. Kept waiting for the setup. A good entry point here on this would have probably have been right here where the 9 crossed the VWAP. Probably would have been a really, really good deal. All right. Let's see. Sergio says, I'm watching. Let's see what the boys are up to. Here's the tip of the day. Overlay TLT
To
to
QQQ.
QQQ, and let's see the correlation. All right. I can actually do that. Hold on a minute. Let's see if I remember how to do this on TradingView. Let's go TLT plus QQQ. Is that what you were looking for, Serge? Wait, Sergio's like, wait, many lines. All right, let's clear out some lines for Serge. All right, there's that.
Hold on, TLT. Okay, I have my TLT and QQQ up.
Sergio, is this what you were looking for, my friend? So now we only have a 9 EMA, a VWAP, and a 200 EMA. I don't think this came out the way I wanted it. It didn't come out the way I wanted it. There's got to be a way. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, hold on. I know what I did. TLT.
All right, so
All
it's
right, there's
here.
TLT. And now I'm going to add QQQ. And that's what he was looking for right there.
Yeah.
I don't know why it won't let me scale down the way I want.
Oh wow. So as the QQQ goes up, TLT goes down.
Well, he's
Oh
measuring the
no.
20.
Wait, hold on. 2 minute. 2 minute.
We're going to have to get on a conference call in about 5 minutes with Sergio so that he can explain this.
So what's the correlation here?
Well, you want to know which one is crossing which? Which way is it going? Are the QQQs above the TLT? And I'm assuming that's what we're talking about. because as I've explained to daily chart. Okay, let's go to the daily chart, my friend. Oh, big difference there.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna have to we're gonna have to take a call on this one. Remember, he's the veteran, so he's been pointing out little tips to me. No, now he's saying no. What the hell? Okay, Sergio, give us a few minutes. We'll wrap up our stream here, and when you have time, you can explain this so we know what we're looking at. Said he wanted a daily chart. That's a daily chart.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking. I'm looking at the daily chart.
There's the QQQs. There's the TLT.
But my
I
daily
can
chart
see
does
him.
not look
I can
like
see him over
yours.
there yelling at us. I can see him over there yelling at us.
He's like, what the hell are you guys doing? God damn it!
Ah!
This is basic trading 101.
Hey, that's my other channel. Cut it out. Cut it out. I need to start putting that channel back on.
Yeah, I don't know what you're
Yeah, 'cause
doing.
I don't know. I'm telling you, bro, I got to recommit myself to everything.
Okay,
I
I'm.
went through a
Hey,
phase.
Sergio, we're looking at the daily. What? It's Well,
He hasn't started yelling at me yet, so we're good there.
TLT. Yeah, QQQ. So look at that. Look at the spy. Look at the spy. I should have just. So mad. So mad. I don't follow my strategy. Just gotta go with it.
I just
Gotta
asked
go with
Steven what he's doing. Daily chart going back a year. Oh, he wants to go back on the year. Okay. Is okay,
it.
daily chart back a year.
Well, the way that I see it is that the QQQ acts like it
That's on the
really
1
takes.
year. That's the 1 year, brother. Oh man. Bro, it's like nobody's getting my text messages this morning. You got my text messages this morning.
Daily chart going. Yeah, going back 1 year.
Oh man. Spy is still rocking. Okay. Okay, my text messages are working. Steven says he's out there driving, making airport money.
Damn it! Look at this. Such an ass.
Hey,
Such
hey, be nice. Be nice. You're a banana head.
Vinny's.
Don't worry about it.
It's Vinny's fault. Sergio, blame it on Vinny. Blame it on Vinny. It's Vinny's fault.
Look at
953.
that. Look at that, bro. We're still rolling, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Bottom of
See,
the
Sergio.
day.
See, Sergio. This is my little strategy. When the green line crosses the yellow line, my 200 EMA is my momentum, the direction of where the market is going to be going for today. Okay. Came back to the 200, bounced right off, continued, came back, touched on my VWAP, and my line crossed to the upside. I was in right over here, expecting for the break, and I got out too soon. She just held it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not trading because it is overextended like big time. Like I already missed my opportunity. Like I'm done. We have the 11 a.m. the inflation the
Yeah,
news.
but I don't pay no attention to that. I'm more concerned with CP tomorrow. Sergio just
Kiki,
text
hi
me.
Kiki, how are you today, Kiki?
Kiara, how you doing? All right, so he
No, camera just died.
did
I
it
think I have another battery.
on the year. I don't know why this won't let me do what I want with this chart right now. I'm on the daily. But look, bro, it won't even let me. Oh, there's September of 20. So if he wants to go back 18 months, that's about here.
I need Oh, where's the
It's not
battery?
right there.
I think the
What's
battery's
this?
gonna be
June of 20.
died
So we go
anyway.
back a year and a half. All right, we got to give Kiara her welcome to the room. Kiara, this is just for you. You ready? You ready? I haven't done one of these all day. FBI, open up! That one's for her. That's for Kiara. That's for Kiara. Look at this now.
Damn
This
it.
is
Hold on. Let me
February.
see.
June is 6. I think this is where Sergio was trying to get me to right here.
Yeah,
You see
no.
QQQ's on the upside, TLT's on the downside. Big gapper there. All right, she got the message. Yeah, she was good with it. She enjoyed that.
See, I don't know what Sergio. Sergio, you got to just blur it out, Sergio.
He texted me, and I requested that at some point he walks us through it so that we understand it, so we can see where he's driving with it. Like listen, that guy he's wicked smart, right? You remember the movie with Matt Damon, Ben Affleck, Goodwill Hunting? How do you
Uh-huh.
like that? My friend here, he's wicked smart, huh? Wicked smart.
I haven't seen it in a long time.
Bro, they got a new movie coming out now. Ben Affleck and
Are they like best friends or something like that?
yeah, they gotta be, bro. They've made some seriously good movies together. Goodwill Hunting was good. Rounders, if you're into poker, Rounders is probably the best poker movie of all time. And now they're making one about Nike when they were going after Michael Jordan coming out of college to develop his shoe.
Who the hell's gonna play Michael Jordan? Ben Affleck? He doesn't get that
I
dog.
have I have no. Oh, come on, stop, 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 stop.
In Batman, it was just because he was dirty.
Who?
In Batman, by the way, the one thing that turned me on, it was like I was not really looking at Ben Affleck because he did that damn movie Jiggly with Jennifer. I thought it was bad, bad. But the new movie Batman, oh, the way he smacks those people, blah! By the way, I told you, Michael Keaton is coming back to Batman.
He should.
So
He should.
Flash. So Flash can go through time, okay, and he can go into different multiverses. And
Oh,
in this one multiverse, Michael Keaton is Batman.
oh boy.
I want to see that one. Yeah,
Well, I
Flash
told you,
breaks.
Richie took care of the guy who owns. This is it's a long, complicated story with this one client. Really good guy though. Because I was down and sick, Richie wound up driving the guy Friday, Saturday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Saturday
Uh
night,
huh. Uh huh.
and he owns. I've seen it with my own eyes. I got pictures. I've seen it with my own eyes. He owns the original Batman mask that Michael Keaton wore in the original Batman movie.
Oh, did he have to give it back for this movie?
No, come on, bro. Michael Keaton's like he lost a lot of hair, and he's gotten skinnier. All right, let's see. Wes. Wes is back. What can you do if you get a passenger who purposely slams door extremely hard and spilled stuff on purpose? Gosh, I wish I could say something to her. You can. You know what you say to her? You say
Taser,
cleaning
pepper
fee,
spray. No, paper spray
one
first,
star.
then taser. Okay.
Oh my god, this dude's talking about tasing a rider. Oh my god.
Uh,
Bro, hit her ass with a cleaning fee and a one star. Get your money. That's all you can do, bro, and then never get the rider again. That's it. Remember, we are drivers. We're in a lose-lose. So the best way to say something to her is, "Give me that money because you messed up my car,
that's why I
woman,
don't work the nights.
man."
And or you can work the days like I do.
Ah. All right, Eddie. It's 10:59. It's time to go.
Yep, time to go. All right, we are closing it up for today. Vinny, hold on. Where are you, Vinny? You're down? You down, Vinny?
I am down 192 for the
Vinny
day.
is down 192. I am down zero. I did take three trades. Okay. Oh, Sergio, by the way, I don't know if you're still watching, but is whoever can
I,
take
I,
paper trading account $1,000 to two thousand
actually,
dollars.
actually, he's calling me right now. Hold on.
But we're gonna close it
Hey, buddy,
up.
we're getting ready to wrap up this live stream. Can you give me a minute?
We're gonna close it up. Taking $1,000 into 2,000. I'll break even.
Okay.
Vinny's at a loss. Yeah, I mean it's paper money, so but still I'm gonna celebrate. Yeah. All right.
Oh, you want to do a live, dude? I got to figure out how to do that. Eddie, hold on a minute. Hold on, Eddie.
Yeah.
Eddie, you know how to do live calling for the show?
A live call.
Yeah, Sergio called me, bro. He wants to do a live call in on the show, but I don't know how to do it. And
Uh,
it ain't often we get the man himself, other than
wait.
Wednesday nights after he's done with soccer practice.
Ooh, wait, hold on. We're not closing yet.
I thought
All
I
right.
thought that. All right. I tell you what.
Send them the invite.
Uh, right. I think I got draw. I got. Uh huh. Right.
I can hear Sergio.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct. And you know what? And but bro, and everything you just said makes complete goddamn sense. Like you just cleared up like 2 weeks of frustration for me. Holy Jesus, bro! I'm telling you, you goddamn right, 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 right. No, okay, a little bit, but I'm looking at that TLT, the daily TLT QQQ chart. I've got it spread back to the 18 months you suggested, and as you're talking, I'm seeing it because it's I see the divergence. I see where TLT is like down. It did spike up a little bit, but then came back down, and now you see them separating themselves, and there we go. Hmm. Okay.
now they're splitting from correlating because for the last 6 8 months they've been really correlating quite
Correct.
quite you know simply almost mirroring each other.
Right. I see that.
Now they're separating. Once they start separating, you have to pay very close attention to that. Once you do that, then you have the general market trends reversing themselves from being down, obviously, to at least neutral to almost up now. So then your day trading has to be ruled by going long during the day more often than not, as opposed to going short now for the last 6 8 months. So if you're going to day trade, which I'm an opponent of day trading. I don't want anybody to day trade because it's a very difficult game to do.
Right.
But
Right.
if
Right.
you're going to swing trade, if you're going to buy something, sell something within 48 hours, 72 hours, now you're more comfortably can do it on the upside as opposed to the downside.
Gotcha,
That's the whole idea behind
bro. That's huge.
general tip, meaning it's easier to make money on the downside now because the market's going to help you,
Right.
right? And even if you're wrong for half an hour, which is crazy to me how you guys can figure what the market's going to do in half an hour.
You can't.
Me, I'm
You
not
can't.
perfect.
You.
Don't get me wrong. I'm not
No.
perfect.
No. Not at all. Not at all.
There's day trading tools that you guys are not. I don't know if you guys have filters. I don't know if you guys have your pre-market filters. All that stuff. That's a different story. But in general, even if you're wrong day trading, a lot of people who day trade become investors.
In other words, bag holders.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
what you do is if you're not disciplined enough, which most day traders are not, is that at least the market can help you as opposed to hurt you
Right.
in general. That was the tip of the.
Brother, that you just gave me like a whole day's worth of okay, I'm gonna replay this over and over and over again so I can.
Don't analyze too much. But what
It's not analyzing, but I mean,
makes
I want to
exactly
know. I
makes
want to
you
know.
aware of what's going on, which a lot of people will not tend to. This simple stuff, but pay attention to the simple stuff. Don't worry about these lines and this and that and that. It's not important.
okay, awesome, dude.
Tip
I,
of the day.
you're the
Let's do
man.
this one more time. Keep it simple.
Well, I tell you what, I'm gonna figure out how to. Obviously I can just put you on a link, but as far as like a call in, dude, I've never done that. I got to figure out how to do that because some people don't. You might be out on the road or something, or you might be at you might be at breakfast with the wife, and you might actually tune in on your phone and you think, God damn it, look at these idiots, Vinny and Eddie. What the hell? God damn it, Colin. It's okay to do that, bro. It's okay, bro. We're friends. We're friends. It's okay, bro.
Yeah, criticize.
There's superiority bullshit. Don't worry.
No, 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 no. Listen,
I'm wrong. I'm wrong more than I'm right. But when I'm right, I know what to do. So
right,
it's like it's not about being wrong here. It's
right.
about watching these things that most people don't pay attention to. And a lot of algorithms they trade
Hmm.
pay very close attention to these. They're major
Spread
part of it.
apart. See, he's talking about something like spread apart, like when the lines are spread apart.
Then you can be a lot more aggressive.
Gotcha.
If you're gonna, because most people keep on short
So we have the
Right.
QQQ, right?
as I go along, but most people buy
And
pretty
then
close.
we have the
Once you figure that out, then the world
TLT.
is working against you.
God bless you, Serge. Man, I love you for that. No homo,
All
but I
right.
love you for that.
All right. See you, man.
It's
All
called
right,
bro
buddy.
love.
All right, buddy. Bye.
No, I explained myself. This would have taken 86,000 texts.
No, 86,001 because there would have been one in there. I'd be like, oh shit, I don't know what do you mean?
I'm glad you figured it out.
All right, brother. Thank you.
Okay, bro.
All right, bye.
Okay, so
Bro,
what
I love
divergence is he talking
listen,
about? So I
listen,
think
listen,
I.
listen. No,
Uh-huh.
okay. So I'm gonna have to really like. Can you hear me?
No, no, I can't hear you.
You can't hear
Okay.
me?
No,
Shit,
of
what
course
the
I
hell happened?
can. No,
Oh,
I
I
can
don't.
hear you.
Well, I don't know, bro. Listen, he just ripped a whole lot of, and it's simple. It's simplistic in what he's saying, and it's designed to help us in what we're trying to do. But I have to digest it. Eddie. I'm gonna have to digest it. Okay, it's there's yeah. Thank you, Sergio. You just for the day. So yeah, I will. I'll try to
Take notes. Take notes.
get this across to you in a day or so. Once I okay.
Because we could hear Sergio on the other side, by the way.
Yeah, but listen, the guy's good, bro. God knows what he's doing.
And what
Um,
about the divergence?
yeah, Wes, thanks. I heard your response. I feel like it's pointless to report the cleaning because it was too huge of a spill on it. It was on the Tesla leather. I could just wipe it off and
Yeah,
hard to see
correct.
the seats.
But still, get the cleaning fee.
I'd still whoop her for 20, 30, $40. I just would. You take a picture, what do you take 2, 3 pictures, bam, 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 turn them in, and then you wipe it and clean it. But it doesn't matter what type of material it is. She left the mess in the car. Like, and she's not, it's like a child, bro. And I don't mean to, this isn't against anybody, but it's like raising kids. Okay, so the mess was no big deal. I pick it up. And then the next one comes in, or the next kid comes back the next day, leaves the mess. I tell them pick it up. They don't pick it up, and I let them go. And next thing you know, we got a bunch of Karens running around. Like you got to teach them, you got to train those riders the way they try to train us. And me personally, bro, I have sent in. I don't send in cleaning fees often, very rarely, but I've hit people for leaving dirt, beach sand on my goddamn floor mats. Because I tell them before they get in the car, listen, you're full of beach sand. You're getting ready to get in my truck. Do you understand there's going to be a cleaning fee? And they're like, well, we got towels. Okay, now you're going to get my seats wet. No problem. It's not my job to be your maid. You get in my car and it's perfectly clean and ready to go. I expect you to get out of my car in that same way. The slamming of the doors, that's where you throw that 4-letter word under your breath as they're getting out, as Eddie would say. Anyway, all right, Eddie, like 11, 12. What do
All
you
right,
want
we're
to do?
cutting the feet short. I thought that we were gonna, we heard some of it. We heard some of it, you know. Um, but yeah, we'll continue it tomorrow. Man, look at the. I should have just played my strategy. Okay. Really should look at this line all spread over.
Well, now she's starting to consolidate and roll a little bit too.
Correct, but it is a flag. What you would call a bullish flag, but let's see what it does right here because it's right there at the bottom of the flag.
Yeah, let's see. So we got the bottom here. We got a bottom spot right there, right? We
Yeah,
we are starting to get a little flag coming right here. So let's see what she does. You want to stay online? We can still stay online another 10, 15 minutes if you want. See how this flag
yeah.
plays out. That's up to you.
But I
No,
got that.
yeah, what Sergio was talking about is he's talking about divergence. So divergence is when things start to oppose or come together in a sense where you start to get a better understanding. You see the collision, I
Yeah.
guess is the best way to put it. So we'll go through that because there's a lot here, and I ain't gonna pretend to understand everything what he just said, but I'm gonna figure it out.
But by the way, on my live, on my live, I'm sorry, when I do my real money, it's gonna be $1,000.
Yeah, that's why I say March 1st. I want to go live trading with you and me on March 1st.
It is just
March
that,
1st.
as a matter of fact, right now my account should be negative because of the option fees. Look, it looks like the flag is breaking to the upside, but let's see. It's gotta hold 411.86, which is the high, 411.86, and it pops. Scalp it.
All right. Wes says, okay, thanks. Y'all, she had attitude, pure evil. Thanks for the info. Good to know. Even small spills can be reported. Yeah, the only thing with there you go, Eddie. The only thing with is that you never want to if you because we know a guy down here, bro, he will report freaking a leaf as a cleaning fee, right? To the point where they put his ass off the platform. So as long as you don't abuse it, but I mean certain people they need to be taught a lesson. And it's not only just for us, right? Look at this RSI though, also, bro. Wow. And this is on the 2 minute chart, bro.
Yeah, I
Um,
want you to 2 minutes. It's just
but
not for
not
me.
only that, Wes, like the next driver, dude. Like if we don't protect each other, who's going to protect us? All we got is each other.
West
So I
and
hear you.
West drives a Tesla, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. Teslas are
So,
very, very easy to clean. Um,
oh, the unbroken drivers in the house, Steven, Steven,
the old
Steven.
broken job. Hey, Mr. Unbroken, what are you doing, bro? Everybody's in here and stuff. Are you gonna come in? Are you gonna do the same thing? You know, what's going on? Yeah. And by the way, the only thing about Teslas, is the cloth that they use. So if somebody pukes in your car, dude, you have to like really like Febreze everything in the car, man. It's just that 303 does wonders, but it doesn't take away smell.
All right, we're
Yeah,
gonna stay on spy today here.
look at this.
Sergio did say, man, if he has time, bro, he'd be willing to come. He says he might come on maybe once a week, call in
Yeah,
or pop up and give us a good education
I'm
for
just
entertainment purposes
oh,
only.
oh, correct. All I want to do is perfect my green line crossing over the
Well,
yellow line.
what he was basically saying is based on what based on what QQQ and TLT are doing,
What
whether
is
they're
TLT?
core, that's your treasury, that's your 20-year bonds, treasury bonds. It's an ETF. So what
Okay.
he's saying is that if they're correlated, which means they're moving together, you have to be extremely cautious, sizing your aggression and your trading.
Uh huh.
But when they start to separate and they decouple, this is when you can start to get a little more aggressive with your trading. So if you're going short, go short. If you're going long, go long. But I think what he was saying is um, you have a better opportunity to go long when they decouple. That's why I say there was a lot there. I got to replay it. I mean, I remember almost everything he said, but I got to go through it, bro, because I don't want to be that. I don't want to be that guy. You know what I mean?
Well, because the way that it sounds, if you can learn how to decipher that, then our trades will be a lot easier.
That's what he was saying. Like he doesn't. He's not into all the lines. I get he doesn't understand the lines, but he doesn't need them. He's a 30-year vet. He knows what he's looking for. He's got all the tricks, and he understands obviously 100 times more than we do. So we'll figure it out. That's the beauty of this, dude. The community is the beauty.
One step at a time. One step at a time. Imagine all those, like the ones that join us now, and then we all of a sudden get out of ride sharing doing this. Ooh.
Oh
People, how'd you do it? You're gonna have to watch all the videos from the beginning. They're long
Jesus.
videos, over an hour.
Oh Jesus. And listen, there are tons of channels out there that can, but it's so hard to find a true mentor.
No,
You
like
know,
I
like
I think
I'm very weary. I'm very
I
weary
think
of
you just
any
got to do
channel.
it.
You do have to do it, but there are certain fundamentals you got to know too. Yes,
Correct.
we what we are doing are we are a speck of sand on the beach. That's what we're doing because we're just trying to get it for ourselves. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to build ourselves better, and I've had a lot of success, and I've had some failures too. I mean, shit. Nobody can figure out what the market's doing. Everybody tries to bend the market to its whim and its strategy and its plan. And the only plan you need to have, how much you're willing to go up and how much you're willing to lose. That's the
And
plan. Stop loss. Stop
and
loss is
and I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. But for me,
100%.
it's
100%.
something like seems to be so simple that you like, dude, it's like, okay, like really? I was like, all right. So it hit me. I was watching somebody, and yep, I just wait for the green line to cross over the yellow line. I was like, really? That's it? He's like, that's how I make my money living. I was like, all right. And
And a lot of people
I was
do
like, you know
that.
what? I can do the same thing too.
Yep.
I just picked it out the
I
blue.
agree.
I just picked it
I
out the
agree.
blue.
All
Uh,
right. Let's shut this down. It's
all right.
11:20. I think
Oof.
Spy, whatever it's going to do, it's going to do. It's not our
See
worry
you
no
guys.
more. All right,
See you guys.
I'm down
No one on it.
192, Eddie. Are you up or down on the day?
I'm even, literally even. Started with 1,000, and I still have 1,000.
Okay. So you're gonna enjoy making tomorrow's thumbnail.
Oh, I think I already have it done.
You know what, you son bitch. Okay, time to go. Time to go.
All right.
This damn
Finish.
Ain't nobody got